ISO 9001 implementation frequently starts out of necessity, no matter if a customer demands it or you need it to enter new markets. For one reason or another, you just need that certificate. Probably you'll need it fast, probably on a tight budget. But you're not sure how to proceed. Where do you start? There is a common way. You could just buy a pile of procedures from a consultant or online store. It seems like what you need. You might even get certified. But there will be problems later. See, your company needs to follow all these procedures in daily operations. How would productivity be affected if your ISO 9001 procedures were, well, just bureaucratic busywork? We knew there had to be a better way, so we developed one. It's an easy solution that will get you certified. A solution that gets you lean ISO processes that improve productivity. That's how to make ISO work for you. And that's what 9001 Simplified is all about. Choose between two options to get certified. The most inexpensive way is our ISO 9001 Certification Toolkit. It's a comprehensive do-it-yourself kit that anybody can use. The quickest way is our ISO 9001 Certification Service. It's a convenient consulting solution that guarantees success. No matter which option you choose, you'll get easy certification and increased productivity. Contact us now. Let our experts assess your situation and get you started.